Hey everyone, I am Iftikharul and in this video I'll guide you through how to backup and restore your WordPress website. And believe me guys, this tutorial will be very helpful for a beginner. So without wasting your valuable time, let's jump into it. To backup your WordPress website, first log into WordPress admin panel. Then hover a mouse on plugins and click add plugin. Now there are lots of backup plugins available in WordPress plugin directory. But for this video, I am going with Updraft. So on the search field, search for Updraft. Then this plugin will appear to you. After find Updraft Plus, W Backup and Migration plugin, you need to click on Install Now button. Once you complete the installation process, then click on Activate. Once you install and activate Updraft Plus plugin, you need to click on the settings. Then you'll go to the plugin settings. After click on the settings, you'll come to the plugin settings. Now you have find lots of options like backup, restore, migrate and settings, advanced tool, premium extension. Let's go with a basic option, backup and restore. To backup your WordPress website, you click on Backup Now button. Now you choose the option which you want to backup, like your database and your file. Once you checkmark your required file, then click on Backup Now button. Then the backup process will be start. And this process takes up to few seconds based on your website size. Once the backup process is finished, then you can easily download your backup file from here. Let's see some of the advanced features of Updraft Plus plugin. First, click on Settings. Then you will find Choose a Remote Storage. That means you can easily backup your WordPress website on a remote place like Updraft Vault, Dropbox, FTP, Microsoft Azure, Amazon S3, Google Drive. But the most easy to use way is Google Drive. Let's go with Google Drive as our website remote storage. First, you need to click on Google Drive, then Google Drive option will appear. Now you need to scroll down and sign in with your Google account. And click on Leave. Then you need to choose your email account to backup your website. Then click on Complete Setup. Then again go to the settings area, and if you want to schedule the backup, then click on this drop down box and choose weekly, and if you want to go with daily backup, then select daily. But for this video I am going with weekly backup and select it for, and also set the same for database. Lastly, click on the Save Changes button. And if you want to backup and restore your website, then click on Backup and Restore, and on this page you will find all of your backup. To restore any existing backup, you need to click on this Restore button. Then your full website will be restored successfully. By following this easy method, you can easily backup your WordPress website. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video.